Hi friends, I'm back with one more interesting video. So today we will discuss about, okay, this slide says within one day I made my trade green. So now that particular trade is giving you a minimum of 2% and a maximum of 10%. Okay, so I'll just explain you the entire trade logic. Okay, so let me take you to see, just try to, guys, try to be with me. Okay, so do not come into the comparison mode. So now if you look at this trade, right, just forget about these three legs. So what I've done is, like, first in the morning today I've just deployed a naked put in Nifty. This is naked put, 17500 naked put. Let me show you whether this is real or wrong. Okay, so if you look at this trade, so this, let me show you guys. Yeah, somewhere around today at almost like 11 o'clock, at 11 o'clock I would have deployed this trade, right? Clearly I have written, okay, let me just move this, right? So going with naked buy in Nifty for 23rd Feb, guys. This is for 23rd Feb. Okay, expiry as a contra. This is basically one of my contra trade, but you guys do not get into confusion. Okay, so if at all you want to learn the contra trade, you have to join my paid mentorship program. Then only you'll be able to understand the contra. But still, I'll give you a small glitch about the a small what do we say, right? A small trailer about my contra trade. Okay, so I've deployed this trade as a contra at 11. I've deployed, right, this put naked buy with two quantity. So check the loss. The loss is 9400 and unlimited profit. So at around almost like at 11 o'clock. Okay, let me show you again. So these are all the other trades what we discussed in my paid mentor group, right? This is my iron fly, wherein we made the iron fly lossless on the put side and we deploy the contra trade on the upside. So these all things, right? This is the price action for the bank nifty. So bank nifty, this was consolidation. If the price breaks my resistance, I'll do the adjustments. If the price breaks my support, I'll do the adjustment. This is what we keep on discussing. And now let me show you. So almost at again, this is almost at 12:20 or 1 o'clock, 12:20, 12:30, I was making almost 15% profit. The same trade, guys. Pause the video and see, right? Within almost like one and a half hour, right? I was getting with a profit of almost 15% on a capital of 11,130. Right? You guys do the calculation. So what did I say? So I am a basically option buyer. So now I should not leave this profit. If you're looking, if for you, if this profit is low, boss, this is based on the capital. If I've just increased one capital with 1 0, obviously my profit will also be 17,350. So don't go on the absolute profit. Think in terms of profit. This is where majority of the retailers will get into wrong influence. Basically, they look, okay, this is small profit, right? So what will I do with this profit, boss? Check the capital deployed. Okay, so now I said 15% profit, and then finally I'll show you, right? Finally I'll show you, maybe at 12:25 I've just exited. What is it? Booked 17% in less than an hour, and now I'll re-enter if I get the good entry. That's it, right? 1,720 I got. So let me show you the price action. Why did I sell? Right, even that is important, right? See, basically I'm at 5 minutes time frame. All right, guys. So now I'll show you at what time I entered. Maybe 10:30, 10:40, right? See, this is 27th. Sorry, my what? What is this? February 6th, right? So maybe, see, if you look at 10:30, right? So if you look at this is my price action, right? This trend line, right? There was a support resistance. The moment it went up, it took the resistance, came down. Again, it took the resistance, came down. Now the market went up, so I thought market will come here. It might take the resistance, but why did I enter at 10:30 or 10:40? It's like, if you look at this vertical, if you look at this horizontal support line, see, whenever market took the resistance, came down. It took the resistance, came down. Right? Again, it had a false breakout. See, it had a false breakout, but it went up, it took the resistance, came down. Right now market was standing somewhere at here 10:40, right? So now I saw a sort of reversal candle getting developed here, right? If you look at the wick and everything. Okay, now what I thought is like, okay, let's deploy a naked put. So that's what, like at 10:40 I've deployed a naked put, right? And at what time? Maybe at 12:30 or 12:40 I've exited. So maybe I might have captured this move, guy. I might have captured this move. So my put debit spread I entered here, so I might have captured this entire move. Okay, the moment I got the good profit, I know maybe the stock might go here and then take a retracement. I thought, why should I leave this profit? So I let 1230 or 1240, right? I got with 1700 and 780, which is almost like 15% of the capital deployed. That's it. I've exited the trade with 15%. Now I was literally waiting the market when it came down, right? So now there is a strong resistance here, support here. Based on my price action, this is a support area. So now what I thought is like, yes, I was able to capture this momentum, and now I know when the market it's here, it has a potential to go up. It has the potential to go up. So let me show you whether this is my real trade or not, guys. Then only you guys will believe. Okay, so if you look at my order history, right, so there are only nifty, right. See, if I see the 23rd Feb, I have executed at, see, 10:58, almost like 11 o'clock. Okay, and then what I might have done, right? The same trade I might have exited here. See, first I've tried to exit, it got rejected, and then the same buy position 23rd Feb, I'm trying to exit here. Right? Sell is exit at two quantity. At what time is that? Almost at 12:30, guys. That's it. Right? Trade clear, right? So I'm showing you my real trade. It is not something like I'm just showing you in the Opstra by simulating. This is my real trade, guys. So now I've booked 15% profit here. I'll come back. Now, see, 23, 23. This is cancelled order. Just ignore it, right? 23, 23, Feb 23. Now, what did I say? I now have deployed a sort of butterfly in Nifty. If you look at this thing, right, see, one sell, one buy, two sold positions, and one buy. Let me take, so let me show you at what time I have executed. See, roughly around 120, guys, 120. So I have to show you, right, then only you guys will believe. So if I do not show you whether this is my real trade, so then you guys will not believe. Okay, so maybe I'll show you the sold positions, 120, right. Let me show you this position also, so that you'll have a concrete, right, 120. Right, now I'll take you to my trade. So what did I say? I deployed this trade, and now I've deployed a sort of butterfly. That's it. Now before I show you this trade, I'll take you this thing. So now I've deployed a butterfly, a call butterfly, which is still giving me a profit of 225. Why did I deploy this butterfly? Simple, guys. See, check. Right, I thought maybe the price, when the price comes here, it will take a momentum. At what time this is like 110, so maybe I might have entered at this third candle, 120 or 120, I might have entered because my view was bullish from this support. Right, now we are at 5 minutes, so now let me show you the 1 day. This is how I do the trading, guys. Right, all the entries will be on the 15 minutes, but now if you look at the overall 1 day, now we are at 1 day, guys. We are at 1 day time frame. See, if you look at this white color line, these are all the trend lines what I've drawn in the 5 minutes. But overall, if you look at this trade, right, Nifty is taking a critical resistance of this dynamic trend line. Whenever it took the support, it went up. It took the support, it went up. It took the support, it went up. So I thought maybe even if it comes here, this will act as a strong support, and then that slowly the trade will go up. What if it comes down? Nothing, guys. Even if that comes down, my loss is only 2%. Right, my loss is only 800, but I have the potential of 10% profit. Right, this is what I've deployed at 130. But now if I combine the trade, guys, right, if I combine the trade, my put naked buy combined with the nifty butterfly for the ninth week, this is for the ninth expiry, guys. So now my trade has become zero. Don't you think my trade has become zero? Whatever profit I got in this trade, like 1007 in the naked buy, and also I got 225. Now the trade has become zero because I've deployed both all these four legs today based on pure price action. This is how, guys, you have to do the trading. Right? Just go check. See again, and let me take you to the 5 minutes, guys. This is what we do. We plot the trend line on the higher time frame, but we do the execution. I have executed here. I took the advantage of falling market by a naked put buying, and then I've waited for like 1 hour. The moment the market came here, and then I've just exited this, and then I've deployed a call directional butterfly because my view has become sort of sideways to directional. That's it, guys. No rocket science. Now check the trade. Right, this trade I've deployed. So ideally, holistically, this is my real trade. So now minimum I have 2% and maximum I have 14% profit, guys, without doing any adjustments. But do you think we will be leaving this? No. The moment the trade comes in the between, so I'll do try to do the roll up, roll down. If the trade comes on the right extreme on the call side, I'll try to book the debit spread, because end of the day, butterfly is a combination of debit spread and credit spread. So when the market comes here right extreme on your call side, I'll exit my debit spread, because by the time my debit spread might be giving me complete 80 to 90% of the profit. So why should I keep that on the table? I'll just exit my debit spread and then I'll just continue with my credit spread, or else I'll try to do n number of adjustments. Guys, this is what I do. So if you want to learn this tactics, right, I've deployed this trade as a contra, guys. I've deployed this trade as a contra, right? The primary trades are my swing trades. This is what I do. So I do enter into equity, I do enter into futures, but I'll try to do the contra. Now, maybe I might be having the see, if I talk about the contra, you guys will get confused, guys. Go and watch the video description, the what do we say, like my paid mentorship program syllabus and everything. In the below description, you have a 45 minutes video. If you want to learn good trading, if you want to enjoy the trading, if you want to learn the non-traditional, you have to watch that 45 minutes video. If you do not have the patience of watching that 45 minutes video which is there in the description, see guys, no one can help you. So if you feel like it's worth joining my paid mentorship program, you can just join it, right, with a very nominal fees, right? So I've just shown you, right, this is what, guys. So let me take you back to my slide. That's it. In one day the trade has become green. So with 1%, sorry, this is 14% profit. So minimum you have 2% profit, maximum you have 14%. But believe me, we will be increasing the profit also. If the market goes based on my view, I'll be able to increase this 14% to 18%, 20% also. All right. So anyways, I'll keep you all posted on the video. So if you like my video, guys, please like the video, subscribe my video, please share with your friends. And if you feel like joining my non-traditional way of doing the options by doing the contra with the swing or the vice versa, please do check out my paid mentorship training program. All right. Thank you.